Hey everybody, it's Ruthie. Welcome back. Let's share another memory. Okay, this is my granddaughter, Miss Charlotte. She is such a love. I'm just saying, okay. Anyway, her uncle, my son, took her fishing for the first time, and she was so excited to catch this little fish. They always throw them back, but she was just too excited. Now she just loves fishing. So the paper I'm going to use is a thin paper studio paper, but I'm going to line it with a piece of white cardstock. And for the embellishments that I did, this is not the exact size that I did on mine, but you can do a print and cut. You can edit this and make it bigger and print it, cut it out. That's what I did. Look how cute. But I did do 2 of them because what I want to do is I want to put some foam tape behind it and make it pop up a little bit to make it look more like one of the die cuts that that we can buy. My husband is getting close to retirement, so we're trying to prepare for retirement. So we're trying not to spend extra money that we don't need to spend, except on the grandbabies, of course. I'm sorry. Not spending money on grandbabies is just not a thing. At least not for me. I love spoiling them babies. And some people say, spoil the grandbabies and send them home. Oh, not me. I just want to keep them. I love to hug them. I love to spoil them. I love it when they're in another room or something and you hear them laughing out loud. That is my favorite thing. I always loved it when my kids were little too. I'm struggling to get the paper off the back of this. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, just sitting here talking, I'm getting the tape backing off of these things here so I can adhere it to the other one. Make my little die cut. There we go. And I'm doing this one, the sketch that I kind of started with. Let's see, it's not here. Oh, here it is. It's like a large shape, but I didn't want a great big one that her picture's gonna be sitting on top of, so I'm just using a large one on the side. I do have another one of those coming up in a bit. So I'm just going to line these things up and stick them together. And look how cute. This is, by the way, is a free clip art. So you can just look at free clip art, print them out, and make your own stickers. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, so I wanted to choose a color, and I've decided I'm going to use this yellow that's in his eyes to bring this over. So I'm going to put that there. I am going to go ahead and adhere the picture to this because I want to not be going backwards. Actually, I did that on the wrong side. Oh, well, it's got to be glued down eventually anyway. I go back after I do the scrapbook page and I know everything's where I want it. I do go back with liquid glue and put it down. So I'm going to put this something like this. I want the fish to me just kind of like ta-da. So that's why I chose him. I just love his smile. Anyway, so I did cut the title out with my Cricut. You can use your embellishment, you can use your stickers that you have. I do use my Cricut quite often because I want to be able to utilize it for as much as I can to, like I said, save money so my husband can comfortably retire without feeling like he's got to get a job at Walmart greeting people or something. He's already retired from the federal prison. He's retired from the local fire department, but he's still working full-time. This man, I have no idea how he finds time to do everything. Anyway, he still works full-time at the fire academy where they train new firefighters. So the title of this one is going to be Just a Girl Who Loves Fishing. So this, I actually printed off, and you could do that. Print your things off on sticker paper, which is not, it's not expensive. You put it in sticker paper, and when you fussy cut it, it's already sticky, so you don't have to do that. So I'm going to put the fishing at the bottom. And this is fairly easy to line up, basically. I practiced before. These letters are all, but what I'm doing is I'm just lining these little notches up on this. There's very few scrapbook pages that I get my ruler out to make sure everything is straight, because to me, I just want to share a memory. If anybody's ever had a loved one, a mother, a grandmother, or somebody who's passed away that's had tons of pictures, and you have no idea who half of them are, and you're a scrapbooker, you do get inspired to hurry up and get some done, because I don't want my kids to wonder, or my great-grandkids or anybody to wonder who some of these people are. So I do have a lot of heritage type pictures that I am going to be doing. I just have to get to where I am able to settle on what I want to do, because there's some of the ones, because I also do genealogy, and I don't always have pictures for everybody. So some of the ones that I'm going to be doing is without pictures. So if that's something you guys are interested in, stick around, because I will be doing that. I will have to get off the fence eventually and just start doing it. So we are working on that. Have you guys been busy? It's baseball season and soccer season here where I live. So I have this fishing pole that I'm going to decorate this frame up here. I'm not going to put the fish down until I have my stickers on, so I know where I'm going to be putting things. I have this little sign here that says "Gone Fishing." I'm just trying to figure out where I think I might want it. Anyway, so Saturday we go to a hockey game, not a hockey game, listen to me speaking. We're going to a soccer game at 10. At noon, we have a baseball game for both my grandsons. And then we have my oldest son that does derby and his wife that we're going to be doing a derby game that evening. So it's going to be a long day of sports. So I'm just grabbing some stickers, and I'm just decorating this frame up a little bit here. That's where most of my embellishments, I think, are going to go. But I do have my journaling is this little, almost looks like a hotel key kind of a shape, but that's going to be for my journaling. And I'm just going to tuck that, I think, here. Let's see here. I want to put a little bit more. I want to put something hanging down from his hand or something, I think, but I thought about making like a sign that says "ta-da," but I figured his face says enough. There we go. So I think that's going to be on my page. So guys, look at your free clip art. Look at maybe your kid's drawings or something. Fussy cut it and make yourself a large sticker to put on your page. I love how this turned out. I thought about having it drawn on here, but then I wanted it more 3D. I also thought about putting something underneath his colors here where the sign is. I decided I like the water look on it, and I think it turned out really cute. I will have some pictures at the end of the video. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you back next week. If there's any questions, I will be sure to answer them in the comments. Maybe somebody else can also help you that watches the video. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.